Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I am going to teach you how to integrate EngageBay CRM platform to your Shopify website. Also, I will tell you what EngageBay platform is all about. But before moving with the tutorial ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel Coded, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. So guys, if you see, currently I am on the engagebay.com website, and guys, it is a one-stop solution for marketing, sales and support. It helps you in marketing automation, then to send email and SMSs to your customers, and it also gives chat option for your website which your customers can use for chatting with your customer support. First, let's see what all plans they have. So I'll click on pricing over here. So they have a free plan, but under that free plan, you're not going to get automations. So these are all the features that you are going to get under the free plan. Then they have the basic plan, growth plan, and the pro plan. The basic plan price is 12.74 dollars per user per month. The growth plan price is $42.49 per user per month, and the Pro plan starts from $84.99 per user per month. To get 10% discount on these plans, you need to submit this particular form. I have given the link of this form in the description of this video. So fill this form and submit it, and then you'll be able to get 10% discount on the paid plan. Now let me log in into the EngageBay platform and show you how to connect the Shopify website to the EngageBay platform. So guys, this is the homepage of the EngageBay platform. In order to connect the Shopify website to the EngageBay platform, you need to click on the profile icon over here. Even if you hover, you're going to get this particular option over here. Then you need to click on account settings. And then after clicking on account setting, you're going to get this settings page. Over here, you have an option called integrations. So over here, you just need to scroll down and then you're going to get this option called integration. Then you're having an option over here called e-commerce, and under that you have this option called Shopify. So this will help you to add your Shopify store to the EngageBay platform. Now, if you see over here, there's an option called sync existed orders as deals. So whatever your existing data which is there on your Shopify store, that is going to get synced on the EngageBay platform. If you untick this, then the existing data is not going to get synced on the EngageBay platform. Now, let's connect a store. So this is my Shopify store. So I'm going to connect this particular Shopify store to this EngageBay platform. In order to add the Shopify to the EngageBay platform, I'll click on Add Store, and then you're going to get this particular screen. Over here, you need to enter your Shopify store URL. So if you see at the last, it has .myshopify.com, and your store is also going to have the same thing. So let me open the website. So this is my Shopify website. It is having myshopify.com. So I only need to copy the first part. So I'll copy, code it, and I'm going to paste it inside the this particular option over here. So code it and then .myshopify.com, and then I'm going to click connect. So this is going to set up EngageBay platform on my Shopify store. So as soon as you click on submit, you're going to get this install screen. So this is going to install the EngageBay CRM app on your Shopify store. So you can see what all information is it is accessing on your Shopify store. And then you need to click on install app button over here. And once you click on install app button, it is going to install the EngageBay app on your Shopify store. Now you can see that our store code it has been successfully connected to this EngageBay platform. And also if I go under apps, and then over here I can see the EngageBay CRM app. So this we can verify over here by going under apps, and then we will see the app name, that is EngageBay CRM. So guys, in this video you have learned how to connect your Shopify store to the EngageBay platform. Also guys, in order to get 10% discount on EngageBay platform, just fill this form. I have given the link of this form in the description box below.